Hey all, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. So last week when I bought this kit and I did the unboxing, I may have mentioned that the first thing that I thought about when I saw this kit was Rob Tibbets over at Papa's Model Car Room. And I may have also mentioned that my plans are to build this in his honor. Well, that is my intention. And it's something that I had been thinking about for a little while. I wanted to do a 32 Roadster or something like that and build it in his honor. So I got to thinking about it. I was going to do it myself and I wasn't going to say anything about it. And when I built it, I would do a video about it in the end. But the more I thought about it, I thought that maybe I should run it by some people and see if anybody else wants to jump on board. Now, I understand we're busy with a lot of other builds going on right now. The Pro Street build is about to begin. The 48-hour build is at the end of this month. And that's why if I were to do this as a group build, we wouldn't have a hard start or a hard finish date. Do it at your own pace, at your own time, right? So everybody knows Rob over at Papa's Model Car Room, okay? And we also know the content that he brings us. It's a lot of vintage stuff. It's a lot of walks down memory lane. We get to see a lot of the beginnings of model car building. We get to see a lot of the beginnings of car customizations. You know, he's a keeper of local drag racing history. And I find all that stuff really, really cool. Not to mention, he's got some pretty awesome builds himself. And he saves a lot of stuff. You know, eBay finds and stuff like that, rebuilders and stuff. And sometimes he just leaves the patina, quote unquote, on them. And, you know, he's like the keeper of all things old school. So I appreciate that about Rob. And as I mentioned before, if he and I lived closer, we would be fast friends. And although miles and miles separate he and I still feel kind of kindred spirit with him. So that's why I would like to do a Papa's Model Car Room appreciation build. Okay? And this is my idea. Like I said, no hard start date or hard finish date or anything like that. Nothing official. Just something, you know, for the fun of it and everything. So basically my idea is to build some kind of roadster or vintage salt flat racer, a vintage drag car or gasser, or maybe a drag combo truck, car, and trailer like Rob features on his channel a lot of times. And it could possibly be one of those ramp trucks too. And all those kits would be right down Rob's alley, right? And I think they would all be good material for an appreciation build for the guy. So, you know, because of those things that I mentioned about his content on his channel, that's the reason why I want to do this 32 Roadster for him. Now, maybe at the end you decide you want to gift the build to Rob. That's cool. You can do that. I'm sure he would appreciate it. Or you can just put it on your shelf in honor of Rob. You know what I mean? But all in all, you know, this is pretty much my idea about the whole thing. And I just wanted to run it by you guys and see how you guys felt about it. Whether or not you wanted to jump on board or whether I'm just going to spin my wheels. Regardless, I'm going to build this kit in honor of Robin Tibbets. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about it. And until next time, thanks for watching.